has to say about this. Many thanks for those inputs, Pragya. Let's turn our attention right now to another fresh face-off that was witnessed in the Rajya Sabha before the monsoon session concluded, after the leader of the opposition, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of carrying out a Shuddhikaran ritual of the stage at Uttarakhand's Haldwani, where the latter had addressed a rally. Now, Mr. Kharge addressed a Congress rally at the Ramlila Maidan on the 8th of August as part of the party's preparations for the 2027 assembly elections to be held in the state of Uttarakhand. Speaking in the House, Mr. Kharge, pointing towards the incident, said that lakhs of people were present when he delivered that speech at Haldwani. And here's what he recounted. Let's listen into what he said in the upper house a short while ago.
मैंने किसी समाज का, किसी धर्म का नाम नहीं लिया, सिर्फ मैं लोगों के समस्याओं को वहां पर बताया। लेकिन मेरे स्पीच होने के बाद कल वो लोग, बीजेपी के लोग सब मिलके हवन करके उस स्टेज का शुद्धिकरण करने का काम किए। ये you might have read in the newspaper. Is it the way in democracy? How you are protecting the Constitution?
Now, strong comments coming from Mr. Kharge, and of course backed up by members of the opposition now. The Congress party rallying behind the Congress president, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, has said that the Prime Minister should apologize and that this exposes the hatred mindset of the BJP. That's the claim coming from several people within the Congress party. Let's listen into their reactions too.
ये जो मानसिकता है उसका प्रदर्शन है कि बीजेपी की विचारधारा क्या है, आरएसएस की विचारधारा क्या है। इसका खंडन होना चाहिए, प्रधानमंत्री जी को इसका खंडन करना चाहिए और माफी मांगनी चाहिए। ये क्या तरीका है?
कुछ लोगों ने नहीं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की मानसिकता, विचारधारा उनके लोगों ने, एलओपी जो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन है, बस दुर्भाग्य ये है उनकी नजरों में कि वो दलित समुदाय से आते हैं, अनुसूचित समुदाय से। तो आज भी भाजपा की वो मानसिकता जिंदा है। इस दलित और अनुसूचित के खिलाफ जो ये कुत्सित भावना है, असंवैधानिक भावना है, हम इसकी कठोरतम शब्दों में भाजपा की निंदा करते हैं।
Whose government is there in Uttarakhand? Every question is being asked to the opposition, and even you don't accept that. Whatever has happened, no educated person, no civilized person today will accept this kind of this thing. And they are not some group of people. They are the group sponsored by BJP, supported by BJP, and promoted by BJP. And this is the clear, true color of BJP. This is how they create hatredness. After all, this political DNA comes from British government, and they know how to divide and rule.
So the Congress and the opposition parties have now described this as a divide and rule mindset. The Bharatiya Janata Party has decided to hit back at the Congress and also Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. Here's what Mr. Giriraj Singh had to say.
खड़गे जी बुजुर्ग हैं। खड़गे जी ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातों को क्यों उठाते हैं? वो सफाई कर रहा था, गंदगी की इनके अथी के कारण जो रैली या कुछ किए थे, तो गंदगी की सफाई हो रही थी। तो सफाई करेगा, उसको धर्म से जोड़ देंगे, उसको जात से जोड़ देंगे। ये उचित नहीं है। खड़गे जी, आप बुजुर्ग हैं, आप राहुल गांधी की तरह मत कीजिए। ये बहुत ओछी बात है। खड़गे जी जैसा महान नेता अगर ये ओछी बात करेंगे, पता कर लेते, वो सफाई कर रहे थे।
Well, the war of words continues. The matter continues to escalate. We'll take a short break right now. We'll continue our coverage.